Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel, Taste of Jamaican Food. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I prepare tamarind drink, my style, or as we call it in Jamaica, tamarind. Alright, so I'm using quite a few tamarind and that I shell, and then I am using also about 2 ounces of fresh ginger that I cut into small chunks and then I crush. Now I put the crushed ginger root with the shell tamarind. So now I am adding about 1 cup of boiling water to the tamarind and the ginger root. Then I'm going to cover and steep for about 4 hours or best overnight. Now I will add a little bit more water, but for now it's 1 cup of water because as you can see it's not a lot of tamarind. So I do not want to stretch out the drink, making it insipid. So I don't want to add any more water than 1 cup at this point. So I'm going to cover and allow it to steep for about 4 hours just to loosen the pulp. After about 6 hours, because it was definitely more than 4 hours, I am removing the pulp from the seeds. The tamarind that has the dark brown flesh, almost black looking, they are the better ones. Now I'm gonna strain. So normally I would strain twice, once using a strainer and then using a piece of cheesecloth to get rid of the pulp. However, with the tamarind drink, if I use the cheesecloth and get rid of the pulp, then I will end up with brown tasteless water. So in this case I need the pulp, right? So I'm just gonna strain once with the strainer, and I did added a little bit of water to it, less than 1/4 cup, just a little bit, because I don't want to water it down, right? I like my drink to be strong tasting. I don't like it when it is weak and almost insipid. You understand? So I just added just a little bit more water. So you add the water according to the amount of tamarind, okay? Yeah, man. So now I am stirring it because I did added just a little bit of sugar, brown sugar. Yeah, because tamarind is a bit tart, or as we say in Jamaica, sour. So I need a little bit of sweetener. Yeah, man. So that's it. And I'm pouring it on ice or over ice, whichever is the correct way of saying it. Listen, tamarind drink is the most refreshing drink on the face of the earth. Me now ask Christ. May I tell you, trust me, try this recipe as soon as you can get your hands on some tamarind, okay? It is so refreshing. Trust me. Yeah, man. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. What would until next time.